Oh, hello. This is aeroplanes coming in Sydney Airport by night. They look like diamonds, all those lights. Even though we're a baby country, our airport is pretty active. They're coming very close, one to another. Landing. There's another one not far away. And just look how lovely the shoreline looks by night. Today was 39 degrees. It was so hot I had to get out of the apartment. And there are people, quite a fair bit of people, enjoying this beach facility. We're so lucky to have this. The car is parked so close and we have the beach. And it's so quiet we can actually hear the jet's engine.